So have you ever wondered how rice goes from that to this? Well, it's your lucky day, because here's how they do it. There's a guy down there on this machine that is mowing it. It's just like mowing it like a lawn. And you can see, as the machine cuts it, it pulls off all the little rice grains, so you're just left with these empty stalks, and it rolls them up on the machine, and they just tie it up and stack them, and they'll come and collect them, and the grain of rice will get sent to a mill, and it will get turned into this. This is genmai. This is brown rice first, just has the hull knocked off of it. And then it'll be tumbled further into all the different types of white rice. So it can get whittled down to pretty much nothing. Like sake rice is really tiny, just like little seeds of rice sometimes, depending on what characteristics they want from the actual grain. But anyway, here's another shot. Really cool. Now you know. Pretty cool, huh?